on guys, Mike of E-Trading back with another unboxing video. This time we're going to do our CTC general merchandise club store loads. Now these are in clean customer return conditions, they're fully manifested, and they're priced at a percentage of retail value. So let's just let the camera show you what some of these pallets look like raw directly off the truck, and then we're going to crack some of them open, show you a little bit more about the condition and give you a better understanding of what you can get. Bear with me, let's get right to it. As you can see, we're able to break down an entire pallet and then grab a few boxes from different pallets just to get as much of a variety as we were able to. And now we're just gonna go dig into this a little bit deeper just to try and find some sort of issues you can get in customer returns. So missing pieces, maybe ripped somewhere, damages. But as we said, these are considered clean customer returns, but we're gonna do our best to try and find something maybe on the rougher side of things. For example, you see this is a 4-pack of deodorant and it's missing one piece. Now, as a retailer, for example, you could sell these as individual items and try and maximize your profit on them. Brand new video games, it's all the same one, all in its original packaging. Do not purchase if seal is broken. Seal is intact, not broken. They're out of box, they've clearly been used because you can see some wear and tear on them. Whether they work or not is a different story. You'll have to plug them in, maybe test out each bulb individually. You've got this here, a pack of pens, and look, 2 pens missing right there, clearly been opened. A card jump starter, looks brand new, doesn't seem to have been used. Looks complete as well though. Little pillow here, you see? Find some stains, a little bit of dirt. Whether it's cleanable or not is a different story. So you've got 2 shavers in here. You can see they've been used because there's actually hair inside. You've got this. There you go. Obviously been used. What is it? I have no idea. You guys can let me know in the comments. So you've got a pillow. As you can see, that's the color it's supposed to be. That's the color it is now. So that's something you may have to sell as used. Got whole packs of noodles. A little bit of ripped open. Doesn't seem to be missing any. Now let's find expiry dates. Doesn't show them on the box. Here's some bottles, see? They're all individual. These, as you know, will be sold as a pack. So it was probably a 12-pack or a 24-pack. Somebody didn't like them, somebody didn't finish them, they returned the rest. What do we find in here? Could be missing one piece, so same story as before. You've got pasta. I'm gonna assume it was a 6-pack. They used one. For one reason or another, they returned it, and that's what you're left with. Now you can see this is where we talk about clean customer returns. Still with tags, on hangers. You've got brands like Adidas in here. Same scenario over here, you see? Again, these are all going to be the same, look. All of them have tags. Again, these are customer returns, but as you can tell, they look pretty clean. Alright, there you have it. That should give you a better idea of what you can expect to find in a CTC general merchandise club store loads. Now they're fully manifested, priced at a percentage of retail value, and are considered to be clean customer returns. And there's a wide variety of merchandise here. You've got clothing, groceries, electronics, home goods, and more. Now make sure to subscribe, leave a comment below, ask any questions you have below, and let us know what else you want to see next time. See you!